How to back up all data on Android before factory reset. So if you want to back up all of your data on your Android before the factory reset, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and you'll have Google. Tap on Google and then go with your Google account. Once you have this Google services right here, you need to simply go with all services, which is on the right side. And now go with backup and restore and then tap on backup. It will take you to this kind of interface. And here you will have backup now option. You just need to simply go and tap on backup now. Or if you've not enabled the option of backup by Google One, then you just need to simply go and turn it on. Once you turn that on, your things like your files, your apps, your photos, videos, SMS, call history and everything like device settings and everything will be backed up and you can easily do your factory reset. So just go with backup now. So that's how you can back up all of your data on your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.